I'm just happy that so many of the pictures that I worked on have given so much pleasure to so many people. How can you say which one I'm most proud of? I'm proud of the body of work that I produced. Now
Look,
that I've been forced out of my house, I'm reminded of an old saying from ancient times where somebody said, "Don't count somebody lucky until he's dead."
what was the thing you were most proud of? That's really what I'm curious about.
I'm just happy that so many of the pictures that I worked on have become uh, have given so much pleasure to so many people that they consider
Hmm.
them worthy of watching over and over and talking about years later. There are too many. I mean, Footloose and Ferris Bueller's Day Off and Planes, Trains, and Automobiles and Mission Impossible and Steel Magnolias and Falling Down and Empire Strikes Back.
Hmm.
How can you say
I
which
mean,
one
that's
you?
amazing. And
How
that's
can
only
you
a
say?
partial list.
How can you say which one I'm most proud of?
Hmm.
I'm proud of the body of work that I produced.
Hmm.
You know,
No,
incredible.
yes, that's the resume of a talented and
And I mean,
fortunate
yeah,
individual.
luck.
Well, I mean,
Now
look,
that I've been forced out of my house, I'm reminded of an old saying from ancient times where somebody said, "Don't count somebody lucky until he's dead." So you never know what's
right.
going to happen in life.
And most people that we talk to, they don't consider it luck because there's skill involved. You're not lucky in that sense. You've got good fortune, but you also have you have the talent to sort of elevate you into a situation to accept that good fortune, right? And it's not dumb luck. You know what I mean? You know what you're doing. You've got the skill as an artisan. You've got the skill with people. You've got sort of like it takes a certain type of, and it's a different, multifaceted, personality, I think, to really it's excel in this field. So I don't know that wouldn't lean too heavily on it, but a lot of people who succeed, the luck comes to them to some degree. The fortune comes to them because they have the goods, for lack of a better word.
I'll simply say that luck is an essential ingredient.
Hmm.
Without it, you're not going to get where